Konnichiwa, Shinyu Sensei desu. Today is so cold outside. How's your weather today? Kyou no tenki dou desu ka? Write in the comment box. So today's lesson is Hiragana Lesson 6, ha hi he ho. So without any further ado, let's start our today's lesson. So today's learning objectives are: we are going to recognize and write the hiragana characters ha, hi, he, ho. We are going to learn how to pronounce them correctly. We are going to remember them easily with fun mnemonics. We are going to identify these characters in common Japanese words. And lastly, we are going to read simple Japanese sentences while using these characters. So let's dive in. The first hiragana character is ha. The romaji sound is ha, ha. To write, we can do. To remember this, you can always imagine that a happy person with a little nose, or the most common or easy way to remember this is ha. Like, suppose this is ha. So this portion is H, and this one you can remember it is A. Some examples for ha are hana, flower, hashi, chopsticks, haha, mother. Example sentences are kore wa hana, flower. You can ask me that this is also an ha, then why are you pronouncing it as a wa? So in Japanese language, this ha sounds like wa. So kore wa hana desu. We are going to discuss this very extensively in our later slides. So keep joining us in our lessons. Hashi, chopsticks, skaimasu, use. So hashi o skaimasu, I use chopsticks. Next hiragana character is hi. The character is hi. The romaji sound is hi. It's like hi, smiling hi, not hi. So keep that in mind. And a very cute way to remember that a very cute small girl is smiling. Mind my drawing. So this is how you can remember it. Some examples are he-san or he-day, like ano-hi, that day, or he-san. Hito, person. Hikouki, airplane. Some example sentences are kyou, today, wa, is, I, good, hi, day. So kyou wa ii hi desu. Today is a good day. Ano hito, that person. Dare, who. So ano hito wa dare desu ka? Who is that person? The next hiragana character is fu. Character is fu. Romaji fu, fu. To write, you can do like this. Also, you can do like this. The mnemonics can be, it looks like a Mount Fuji, like this. This being the Mount Fuji. And imagine someone saying fu as they blow out a candle, like this. Somebody is trying to blow out a candle. So the fu is, it has a lot of airy characters. It is very airy way to write. Like one more time, let's practice as it's a very tricky one. Very good. Some examples are fuyu, winter, fune, boat, fuku, clothes. Few example sentences are fuyu, winter, samui, cold. So, fuyui wa samui desu. Winter is cold. Fune, boat, norimasu. Right. Minna-san, fune ni notta koto ga arimasu ka? Write in the comment box. Fourth hiragana character is he. The Romaji spelling is he, he. This is again a very easy character to write. You just write like this, or one more time, this and this. So easiest way to remember is, it looks like a simple path, mountain path leading to heaven. Maybe somebody is here. They are riding, and after being in this top of the mountain, I think it feels like a heaven. The people who are very experienced in mountain climbing, they say that this is the greatest place on earth. When they get on top of the when they get on top of the mountain, they feel like they are on top of the world. So, Minna-san, 山に登ったことがありますか? Write in the comment box. Another one is, imagine a bird flying to heaven. Some examples are heya, room, heavy, snake. One Piece fans, I think they know Boa Hancock. Her name is Ohebi-sama. So, because she is the queen of snakes, so whenever I hear the word heavy, I always remember Boa Hancock. Heta, unskillful, bad at something. Some example sentences are kirei, clean, heya, room. Kirei na heya desu. It's a clean room. Watashi, I am, heta, bad. So watashi wa heta desu. I am bad at it. Last hiragana character is ho. The Romaji is ho, ho. So, if we remember how to write ha, to write ha you have to do like this. Okay? Ha. And to write ho, you have to write the same thing, only it has another one. Okay? So, if a very good way to remember is, this is half of a stick. So this one is ha and this one is ho. So a very good way to remember it, that ha is half because it has only one stick, which is half of a stick, and ho is whole because it has whole of the stick. Okay, so this is a very interesting way to remember ha and ho. Also, Japanese ma is very close like ho. So we are going to also discuss this in our ma, mi, mu, me, mo slide. So please join in that lesson too. So some mnemonics to remember is, it looks like a hot dog with a bun and 2 toppings. Also, imagine a house with a chimney and 2 windows. So minna-san, write in the comment box, do you find it interesting, the mnemonics to remember ha and the ho? Some examples of ho are hoshi, star, hoshi, star, hon, book, Hokkaido, Hokkaido. Let's practice our example sentences. Hoshi ga kirei desu. The stars are beautiful. Kirei, beautiful. Hoshi, stars. So, hoshi ga kirei desu. The stars are beautiful. Hon, book. Omoshiroi, interesting. So, この本は面白いです. This book is interesting. So let's do a very quick review of our H-row hiragana. So hiragana ha, Romaji ha, mnemonic or hint, a happy face or ha. Hiragana hi, Romaji hi, high heel, waving, hi. Hiragana fu, romaji fu. The mnemonics is Mount Fuji or blowing fu. Hiragana he, romaji he. The mnemonic is path to heaven or flying bird. Hiragana ho, romaji ho. The easy way to remember is hot dog or house with chimney. Great job, minna-san. You have learned a lot this lesson. Well done. So the first interactive quiz is, which hiragana character is ha? Number C, ha. What is the romaji for hi? Number C, hi. Which word means flower? The answer is number B, hana. Number A is hoshi, which is star. Number C is fune, which is ship. Number D is heya, which is room. So our correct answer is number B, hana, flower. Which character looks like Mount Fuji? Number D. What is the romaji for ho? Answer is number B, ho. Arigatou gozaimashita. Thank you so much for your attention and participation. You did a really wonderful job today. Keep practicing. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in our Facebook, YouTube, TikTok and Instagram pages. We really need your support. Mata ne minna. Let's meet at our next lesson. See you.